lemon cake cookies. This is what we will be preparing today for Michaela's housewarming. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, Michaela, my husband's assistant, purchased a fixer-upper last summer and it's all done, and she's having a wonderful housewarming this weekend. And of course I'm bringing desserts galore, and one particular cookie that her son requested is my lemon cake cookie. Delicious, super simple to prepare. Now let's get started. We're going to begin with half a cup of granulated sugar and the zest of 2 lemons. You all know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to blitz it because I want all the oils and all the flavors from the zest to incorporate with the sugar. Oh, you have to smell my kitchen. So fragrant. We're going to set this aside for now. We're going to begin with the wet ingredients. All your ingredients have to be at room temperature. Half a cup of unsalted butter, a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to allow the butter and sugar to mix thoroughly. Okay, I'm going to stop and do a scrape down. You can see how all the sugar has collected at the bottom. You don't want that. You want a real thorough mix. 1 large egg. I'm just going to give it a really nice scramble first. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice from the lemons that I took the zest from. 1 tablespoon of pure lemon extract. Oh, I love this stuff. Final wet ingredient, the lemon sugar. An additional scrape down. Ready to begin with the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And an 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, just to make the cookies a brighter yellow. If you don't have turmeric, you can use food coloring. Give this a really good mix. Ready to add the dry ingredients, a tablespoon at a time. Final tablespoon. I'm going to do the final scrape down. Cookie dough is ready. I'm just going to place it on my plastic wrap. You need to refrigerate the dough overnight. I have one that I prepared yesterday. I'm going to go get it. I have the dough that I prepared yesterday. It's nice and firm. It's a beautiful dough to work with. I'm going to cut each cookie to 1.6 ounces. 1.6, roll it into a wonderful meatball. I really love this cookie, I really do. And I must tell you, I did help Michaela with the furniture, purchasing new furniture for her beautiful new home. And I can tell you that her husband was not very pleased because furniture is one of my weaknesses. I love beautiful furniture. Place it on my baking tray with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In my preheated oven for 10 to 11 minutes. I'm so very pleased the way my lemon cake cookies baked off. I'm going to allow them to cool and dry for approximately 2 hours, and then we're going to ice them. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I prepared 2 batches to show you, and later on I'll be preparing an additional 2 batches. We're going to prepare the glaze. 2 cups of icing sugar and 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. That's it, couldn't be easier. You may need more, you may need less, depending on the thickness you like. I prefer it a little more on the thick side. Adding 3 drops of white food coloring because I love that opal finish when the glaze dries on the cookies. This is the consistency that I like. Beautiful. Very simple. You can drizzle it if you like, but I like doing a little, just covering the top. I think that looks so pretty. Batch complete, in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. I'm going to taste one for you. So good. They truly are like eating a little cake. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Oh my goodness. Oh, so good.